the car.
Oh, their sirens are so shit.
Be quite happy with that. Just trying them out. You're really like, oh, what's going on? What's going on?
Oh, I better ring my mum, see if she's alright. Probably both going to the UCC as well. Oh no, they're on a job, aren't they? Because they're both in the front, so they're probably heading somewhere. I saw they've got these phone holders on Amazon. So they're the long ones with the arm. But they've got an anti-jog technique built in, so every time your phone wobbles, the phone cradle counteracts it.
Oh yeah.
They're like 22 quid. I'm thinking of investing in one.
Yeah.
See how much see how good it is. Like, why is there an arrested man following an ambulance through traffic?